To draw an oblique line using a square, you first need to choose the appropriate square considering the angle of the oblique line. This square has two 45-degree angles. This square has one 30-degree angle and one 60-degree angle. You can also combine a 45-degree square with a 30-60-degree square to obtain a 15-degree angle, or a 75-degree angle. Here's how to draw an oblique line. Place the head of the T-square against the side of the drawing board. Left-handed people place the T-square to the right side of the drawing board, while right-handed people place the T-square to the left side of the drawing board. Slide the T-square so that the top edge of its blade is slightly below where the oblique line has to be drawn. Place the square against the blade of the T-square to form the desired angle. Slide the square so that the desired angle passes where the oblique line should start. Hold the T-square and the square steady with one hand. Draw the oblique line along the square with the pencil. This is how you draw an oblique line.